Is your Logitech G Hub stuck on the loading screen, stopping you from customizing your gaming setup? Let's fix that. First, let's force quit G Hub. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Find any processes named LGHUB, LGHUB_agent, or anything similar from Logitech. Select each one and click in Task in the bottom right corner. Next, we'll restart the Logitech G Hub services. Press the Windows key, type services, and hit Enter. In the Services window, scroll down and find Logitech G Hub Updater Service and Logitech G Hub Service. Right-click on each, one at a time, and select Restart. If Restart is grayed out, select Start instead. If the issue persists, try deleting the settings file. Open File Explorer and navigate to C drive, then Program Data, then Logitech, and finally, a GUB. Delete the settings in file. As a last resort, reinstall G Hub. Uninstall the current version through the control panel, then download the latest version from the Logitech website and install it. This often resolves lingering issues. Hopefully, one of these solutions has fixed your Logitech G Hub loading problem, allowing you to get back to gaming.